Hey everyone, welcome to another short and informative video on Quarkus. This is Saumya from Quarkus team. Today I will show you how to create Quarkus application using the Quarkus CLI. The Quarkus command line interface. It helps you to create project, manage extension and do several build and dev commands. So we will follow the Quarkus Getting Started page, Getting Started guide, okay, to create our application. This is the neat and clean page. So we will follow this step number 1. I will open up my terminal and paste this command to install Quarkus command line interface. If you are on Windows and using PowerShell, so you will use this script. So let me paste this command to install the Quarkus CLI. Perfect, the Quarkus CLI has been installed. You can check the version using Quarkus -version command. You can also get the list of helpful command around the Quarkus CLI using Quarkus help command, and you can see these are the list of commands that we have to create a Quarkus project. To create a new project, we will use the create keyword, and after that we can use these keywords app, CLI or extension. If we see here, so step number 2 is create the Getting Started application. For that we have to use Quarkus create command. Okay, very simple. So we will write here Quarkus create. This command will create a Quarkus project for us with default name code with Quarkus. It will also have the default value of the artifact ID and group ID. You can see here. If you want to create a project with a unique group ID, artifact ID or version, then you have to use the command in this way, Quarkus create app, and you have to give the value in the gap format. This is the group ID com.foo, this is the artifact, and this is the version that you want to specify. With the command that I used, Quarkus create, all the default values will be used, okay, and the default values are this. Awesome. So now my project has been successfully created. So I will open up my favorite editor and import the project over there. Let's open it up. So this is the project, codes with Corkus. You can use any code editor of your choice. So the project is loading here. This is the neat and clean readme where all the significant information is provided. This is the pom.xml file which contain the dependencies that we are using in our project. Now we will open up the Java classes. Source, main, Java, and greeting resource.java is the simple Java class that we have. Okay, so at this endpoint hello, I expect to see this string hello rest easy. Alright, it's a simple piece of code. Let's try to run our application in dev mode and see if it's working fine or not. So here I will cd into my project and then I will say Quarkus dev. The simple command to run the application in dev mode. Quarkus dev mode is one of my favorite feature really. It enables hot deployment with background compilation, which means that when you modify your Java file or resource file and refresh the browser, then changes will automatically take place. So you can see live coding has been activated for us in just seconds. I will open up localhost 8080. Hello is my endpoint, and we can see the string here, hello rest easy, right? Let's try to make some change here. Let's say hello Quarkus CLI, and I just made the change and I'm refreshing the browser, and boom, you can see the change here in just milliseconds, right? That's the power, that's the beauty of the hot reload live coding feature around Quarkus. So we just followed the step number 3, right? Run the application using Quarkus dev. Awesome. And we also saw the power of live coding with Quarkus. So to know more helpful command around Quarkus CLI, you can check out this guide, CLI tooling. You can use these commands to work with extension, to list all the extensions. You can use Quarkus EXT-LS. So it's really this much easy and straightforward to create your Quarkus application using Quarkus command line interface. I feel it's a must-try feature for all developers out there. So go ahead and develop your application using Quarkus CLI. Do share your feedback with us. Thank you so much for watching.